Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate you how you can do the setting in your Burp Suite as well as in your Mozilla Firefox browser. So first of all, install Burp Suite Community Edition and you can go with the setting option. In that setting, go to proxy setting and you can see this is the interface, that is 127.0.0.1 colon 8080. You have to go with the edit option and check with the port number. Previously, the port number 8080 is given here. You can change this as port number 8081. And address is same as it is, that is 127.0.0.1. And click on the OK button. Now this setting has been updated here. Now you have to go with the browser setting. So go to Mozilla Firefox, go to setting option, and in that setting you can search for proxy setting. Once you type here in the search box proxy, click on that setting option and go to option that is manual proxy configuration. Here you have to write 127.0.0.1 and you can type here the port number 8081. And this checkbox will appear here. You can click on that checkbox and click on OK button. Now you have done with your proxy setting. The same IP address and the same port number you have entered in your Burp Suite also. Now you can type here http colon then burp. Then this will display as the Burp Suite Community Edition web page. And here you can observe that is a CA certificate. So click on that CA certificate. So it will be downloaded. Now the certificate is downloaded here. Now go to again setting and you can type here view certificates. So this option will appear here in the search box, in the search results. So you can go with the view certificate option and click on import button. And go with the download button. Certificate, once you are already installed that certificate, it will display option certificate is already installed. If you want to delete the previously installed certificate, then you can go with the Portswigger certification. You can delete this Portswigger certificate association. Again, you can import the certificate, and whenever you are importing it again, it will display the options like trust this certificate as association to identify the website as well as to identify the email user. So you have to click on that two options and click on OK button. Now my certificate is uploaded again and you can click on this OK button. Now you are done with the setting of your Burp Suite as well as your Mozilla browser. So in this Burp Suite edition, we have the multiple tabs like targets, then proxy, then intruder, repeater, collaborator, sequencer, decoder, comparer, logger, organizer, extension, and learn. So these are the multiple tabs are available here. So go to proxy tab. So you can see there is an option for intercept off and intercept is on. So how you can check this Burp Suite is working or not. Now you can see I'm going with my browser and I'm typing here one of the city name Mumbai. And now what you have to do, on the same time, you have to capture the request on your Burp Suite. So I'm clicking here, intercept is on, and I'm searching my data, and the same request has been captured by Burp Suite. So you can see there are multiple requests are coming here in the Burp Suite. So whenever you have searched for the option that is Mumbai, I'm clicking here, I'm typing here the option Mumbai, and I'm forwarding that request. So you have to search for the query which is appearing in the request box. So this Mumbai is highlighted with the yellow color in my Burp Suite. So now what you have to do, this Burp Suite is called as a proxy which can intercept your traffic, and you can change this request via Burp Suite. So I'm changing here my city from Mumbai to Pune. So where the Mumbai is appearing here. So once you are changing your request via Burp Suite and you click on that forward button, so you are intercepting your request via Burp Suite, and whatever the data you have searched in your browser, that will be automatically updated here. So I'm clicking on that forward button. So you can see in the browser, my city get updated via sending the forward request from the Burp Suite. So now your Burp Suite is working successfully because this can capture the request from the browser, that is Mozilla Firefox, and whenever you are capturing that particular request on your proxy by doing your intercept is on, and whenever you are searching the query in the search box, and when you are intercepting that traffic via request parameter, and when you are clicking on that forward button, this request has been captured by your Burp Suite, as well as you are forwarding the request from the Burp Suite. So in this Burp Suite, you can modify the parameter, and that modified parameter will be sent as a query to your browser, and your browser will be get reflected whatever the query has been updated via Burp Suite. So this is the demonstration of how you can send a query via Burp Suite, how the Burp Suite can be used as a proxy tool.